Are you trying to decide between Screen Studio and ScreenFlow? You are not alone. Many people are curious about which tool is better for screen recording and video editing. Both Screen Studio and ScreenFlow help you create videos. They allow you to capture your screen, add audio, and edit your recordings, but they have some unique features that set them apart. Let's start with Screen Studio. This tool is user friendly and perfect for beginners. It offers simple editing options and quick sharing features. You can easily record your screen and make basic edits without any hassle. It's great for quick tutorials or presentations. Now, let's talk about ScreenFlow. This software is a bit more advanced. It provides powerful editing tools that let you create professional looking videos. You can add effects, transitions, and even work with multiple audio tracks. It's ideal for users who want more control over their projects. So, what are the key differences? Screen Studio is straightforward and easy to use, while ScreenFlow offers advanced editing features. If you want something simple, go for Screen Studio. If you need more tools and flexibility, ScreenFlow is the way to go. When it comes to features, ScreenFlow shines with its advanced editing capabilities. You can customize your videos in many ways. Screen Studio, on the other hand, is more focused on quick and easy recording. In terms of pricing, Screen Studio is usually more affordable. ScreenFlow tends to be pricier, but it offers more features for serious users. In the end, if you're a beginner or need something quick, choose Screen Studio. If you're looking to create high quality videos with advanced tools, ScreenFlow is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.